Okay, I'm just running it.
Next hit from the thumb to the pair.
Yeah, I couldn't get it last night. I'm like looking at the guys. I'm like,
Fight!
come on!
Go for the Yukon Gold.
Come on, Pearson, you got this. Push him over, buddy!
Get behind him!
Come on, Sam!
Get behind him, he's drunk! Hey!
Use the bodies, Lynn.
Hey, go over those bodies!
Use the bodies.
Now throw them!
Come on, Len!
Watch them!
Come on, Sam! Go for Ursuline! Yes! Good!
Hi!
Sweet.
All right, Mike, you got in there!
You have the mask on there.
I do. You know, they definitely want to stay away from me. It looks like. But I know you hit like thunder.
Chin straps. My chin straps messed up.
Probably.
Did we win?
We drawn. It was a draw. Yeah, I couldn't keep on my feet long enough.
No, that's okay.
No, a draw is better than a loss.
Yeah.
You don't want to let him. You want to give it to him too easy.
That's good there, yeah. Yes.
And it'll be all
Yeah, I split his face open.
Did you actually?
No, it's the same wound. Same wound, it's just we knocked the bandage off.
No, good job, guys. Yeah.
That was an excellent tackle off the start.
Amazing,
yes.
Way to take one out before
Yeah.
it hurt.
So, guys, if you see one of your guys peeling off to go hit somebody, yell out. Remember that 180, 180, 180? Just so somebody knows that they got a guy coming up behind them. I mean, thankfully I saw Blake out of the corner of my eye. I got a shield up just in time, but he would have probably took me out.
Oh, the mail's hooked on your thing. Turn around, wait for that.
Yeah, we should have just said, let's start with Pear and then work the fight into fight. So, what?
Right down in the perfect spot, right between my arms. Oh, I guess that was my arm.
Oh, jeez. Then we're avoiding
Yeah, this is, I don't want to do that anymore. I gotta find something else. That shoulder's up.
Yeah, just don't hit this one.
Not that he did really well. Like,
Yeah, this is how that guy is not acting anyway.
Well, all right. What is that? Yeah.
Don't bleed so much, Lance. And Ironhart Vanguard.
This guy in the red has lost his stamina.
Timer ready.
Look out, guys.
Timer ready.
He's young. Yeah.
Second round. And fight.
Watch that side.
Now.
Come on, Neil. Get in there and help him.
Go help Blake.
Come on,
Go.
Get him.
Pull.
Keep going. Get him again.
Get back in there. Go. Stay on his head.
Keep going, guys. You're doing good.
Okay, Len.
Push it farther.
That's it. Use your bodies. You saw how it's done. You saw. Come on.
Come on.
You said that. That's a shit. Come on. That's it. Push on him. Push on him. He's.
Take his legs. Yeah.
Yes, throw it.
Good job, man. Good job, man.
Might have been a bit of friendly fire. Just a little.
Well, I was trying to do that.
I would recommend.